What we see is in the next few years, there's going to be a lot of large-scale deployment in a liquid cool solution. And in that sense, I think 5C definitely going to the right direction because all your data center is ready for DLC liquid cool solution ready. And this will help us to support the overall market demand, and also partner together. We can support the customer, with one, good partner together. We have a common goal. Okay, we look for the opportunity. We look for the technology. We also looking for to serving the customer in the right way, with the right manner. So commitment, I believe, is one of the very important thing that we both able to contribute and also win the market together. That you guys do have an amazing team to work with, and definitely we're looking for to complete the partnership, as you guys are doing all the facility and also integration, and we're doing the support to make sure the team is true partner together